Hello and welcome, dear followers. Today, I bring you an easy and delicious recipe for making quesadillas with various fillings. We start by preparing the chicken filling. Sauté the onions in a pan until they soften, then add the chicken and let it cook. Next, add red and green peppers, tomatoes, spices, and tomato sauce, and let it simmer. Grease a baking tray with oil and place a layer of bread. Sprinkle cheese, distribute the filling, and place another layer of bread. Bake the quesadillas in a pan or oven until golden brown, then flip and let the other side brown. Cut the quesadillas into 4 pieces and serve. For the second variation, prepare the dough and place meatballs on the bread. Cover evenly, then add mozzarella cheese or any shredded cheese. Bake the bread in the pan until it gets a nice golden color. Then serve it as an attractive and appetizing sandwich. 5 tips for recipe. Success. 1. Use a hot pan. Ensure the pan is hot before adding the bread to get a crispy layer. 2. Balance the filling. Don't overfill to make flipping the quesadilla easier. 3. Use high-quality cheese. Good quality cheese adds great flavor. 4. Ensure the chicken is fully cooked. Make sure the chicken is fully cooked before adding it to the bread. 5. Cut after baking. Let the quesadilla cool slightly before cutting to prevent it from falling apart. If you liked the recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends. Thank you!